Chief called. He said that this is it.
Are you still there? To delete this message, press 7. To save it in the archives, press 9. To hear more options, press 0. What are you talking about?
Hola mi amores, bienvenidos a mi channel, or welcome back to my channel if you've been here before. Today we're in the Dominican Republic. Oh my god, I'm so excited to be here. I was on, well, still am on a 6-day cruise. Day 1, we just boarded in Florida. Day 2, I vlogged in Nassau, Bahamas. Day 3, we were in Half Moon Cay, the private island in the Bahamas. It was so beautiful, didn't vlog there. Day 4, we were in Grand Turk, which is Turks and Caicos. The whole island was like one big party. That would have been a good vlog, but I just didn't vlog there yesterday. It was like, just like music everywhere, drinks and pools and challenges and free shots and dollar jello shots. It was like the craziest, biggest party in the world. It was so fun. And then today we are here in the Dominican Republic. I am so excited to be here. My father was Dominican, so I feel like I'm home right now. This is one of the places I've been wanting to travel for a very long time, and now to actually be here is crazy to me. But let's get this show on the roll. Y'all about to see me put my contacts on real quick because I can't see it on my contacts or my glasses. I try to only wear contacts on special occasions, and I've been wearing contacts during vacation because contacts really burn my eyes, so I can only wear dailies. I work opticals, so I get my contacts free most of the time, but yeah. Last night was so much fun. We went to this, it was like a 70s music trivia, but it was also like a dance party. It was so much fun. Oh my god. See, I know a lot of like rock music because I am a big rock music fan. I know I really don't look it, but my family as a whole, we are rock music fans. My dad was a DJ, so we just know all music, all types of music. My dad is really where I got my rock and roll influence from. He was like a huge rock fan. And yeah, we went yesterday and I knew so many songs. They weren't all rock songs, but obviously 70s was like big for rock music, so a lot of it was rock music. And the cruise director is so funny, and they played Bohemian Rhapsody, and a lot of people think I'm younger than what I am, like I'm grown, but he looks over at me and he's like, "You're so young, have you ever even heard that song?" And I was like, "Every day." And he was like, "Oh, that might be a little bit too much." And he was like, "Where are your parents?" And I pointed to my mom and my stepdad, and he was like, "Oh, that makes sense." I am now at Amber Cove, Dominican Republic. Right now we're walking to try to find a beach. They said it's gonna be like a 30-minute walk, and I hope that they were only saying that because we asked people that were trying to make us pay for a ride. So usually they'll be like, "Oh, it's a 30-minute walk," and it's like a 10-15-minute walk, but they want you to pay for it. So hopefully it's close, but oh my god, I cannot wait to see more of the DR. Picture here. You want to take one for me? Oh, what is that? Pina coladas are just so good. Like, how could I not? The pool here is so pretty. We're gonna go to the beach, but it's literally a 3-mile walk. And that ain't it, because it's 1:30 and we have to be back on the boat at 3:30. So it's like kind of not worth the walk. The DR is so pretty. The mountains and the trees, it's like something out of a movie, seriously. All the mountains over here. The sky is so pretty. People are zip lining. There's like a little grotto. It's so pretty. The bars over there. And we've completely lost our parents. BTW. Wow. So pretty. There are hammocks over there. We're waiting back there. There are hammocks. We're waiting to see if any free up. So, my sister went to go see if there are any. If there are, oh, okay, she just said there are. So now we are moving to one of the hammocks so that we can hammock. And I'm so excited because hammocks. And then later on tonight, we have elegant dining, which means that we're gonna get dressed up and, you know, eat lobster and whatnot. Can't wait for that. The part of the DR that we're in is like on a resort. We're at the Amber Cove resort, so we're not like in the like more domesticated parts of the DR. We really are in the touristy areas, which is fine with me. But there are a lot of bees here, and it's weird because all the bees fly like really high. Like they fly up high enough to where they don't touch you, and I'm like, how? Yay, we got a hammock. Are you sure they're free? I'm sure somebody would say something if they weren't. Oh, my pina colada. I'm gonna have to put it somewhere. Oh, I hope the ants don't crawl on my pina colada. Ooh, we're hammocking. Chief called. He said that this is it. Honestly, this is one of the most beautiful things I've ever seen. The mountains back there, the trees, the hammocks, like, oh my gosh, this is so beautiful. I feel so humbled being here. So grateful and so humbled. Let me show you guys the stuff back here. These are like the little private cabanas that you can rent. That's our cruise ship over there. And we have to be back on board by 3:30. But look how beautiful. We just took the cutest pictures out there by the water. I will insert them, even though you should just go to my Instagram and follow me. Shameless plug. Oh my God. Let me ask y'all a question. How are you gonna hate from outside the Dominican Republic? You can't even get in. Just kidding. So yeah, we have to get back on the boat at 2:45 and it's like 2:05, so we only have like 45 minutes left here. And I'm so sad about it, but it's so hot that when I get back on the boat, I'm probably gonna go swimming again because it is hot here. Like, not as hot as it was in Turks and Caicos yesterday, but it's still hot. It's like 95 degrees, and I wish we would have been able to go to the beach, but nobody wants to walk and have a heat stroke. I only want to pass out from drinks. I don't want to pass out from walking. That's not fun. That's something you do at home, not on vacation, and I'm in vacay mode right now. Crazy is, this trip I learned about myself, I like watery drinks. Like, well, I like watery pina coladas. I don't want to be able to taste like the rum in it. I just want to taste all the pina colada and get a little buzz. You know what I mean? To get a little buzz. Look at this. Just pretty. Yeah, man, so pretty. And when you look up, oh my God, look, that's what you see through the hammock. That pretty sky. It's just beautiful. Y'all see that tan? Y'all see that tan? I already know what's going on. That's what he needed. Pina colada. So we were gonna go to our room to start changing for the dinner later, but I'm so tired. And then we ran into our parents up here, so the breeze up on this deck feels so good right now that I like cannot move at all. Can't move. My skin is like kind of not doing cute, but it's okay because I'm on vacation. I'll deal with that when I get home. Well, I bought a new ring. Isn't it pretty? It better be. It was expensive. Oh, We meet here again, just like the last vlog. Hello, people. I am in my dress for fine dining tonight. I need to pop a Dramamine because I feel the boat moving already and I feel all woozy. I need to pop a Dramamine, a Zan, Adderall, have me out like a light, slept to the flight, okay? Just kidding, drug use isn't cool. But tonight is fine dining, so we gotta get fine. Fine dining, that's why it's called fine dining. For brows, I'm taking the NYX Micro Brow Pencil. For a minute, I thought I was running out of this, I almost got irritated. Tonight, I heard there's crab cakes on the menu at the fine dining restaurant, and I love me some crab cakes. Yesterday when I was in Grand Turk, I literally paid like $18 to have crab cakes, and I don't even care. Cause look, money ain't nothing, but crab cakes are everything. Ugh, a brow. I'm kind of a little tired because today was just like, first of all, it was a really fun day, but it was so hot, and you know, the sun just like sucks all the energy out of you. So I am like running on E. I need coffee or alcohol because I don't even drink coffee, so there's one option left. You literally have to pay for everything that is not lemonade, water, or they have free lemonade, water, coffee, iced tea, and hot chocolate. Everything else you have to pay for. So all drinks and carbonated beverages you have to pay for. And I realized just earlier today that this whole week I've gone without soda, and I am a big soda drinker. I know that's not good, but that's my life. I'm a big soda drinker, so now I'm kind of freaking out. I'm like getting chills and having withdrawals. I'm like, I need to get me a soda tonight. They're $2.50 and I don't care, I'll pay it. I've been paying the $8 for the pina coladas everywhere, so I'll pay me $2.50 to have me. I'll probably get 2 of them. Honestly, I feel like I'm going crazy without soda. All right, let's get onto my face. My skin is a little dry just from being out in the sun, so I wish I had a moisturizer, but this foundation isn't very drying, so I'll be fine. Ooh, my beauty blender isn't wet. Can you bring my spray bottle out the bathroom, please? You got a problem with it? I know, it was a joke! You already know what it is. Milani Conceal and Perfect. Gonna take blush, and then I'm gonna contour and highlight my, probably just my nose, because I do not have the patience to contour my face tonight at all. If you're wondering why I'm not doing anything on lashes, I forgot mascara at home, and the freaking room service here threw away my lashes. But I feel like when you do eye makeup without lashes or mascara, you just look crazy. So I'm not gonna do that. I'm just gonna leave the eyes completely blank. And am I mad about it? Yeah. Let's go to dinner.
Yeah. All you self-promoters are janky. We established like the Yankees. This whole fucking game thankless. We moving militant, but somehow you the one tanking. No limit to where I could take it. And you know me as a crisp bottle sender, check picker upper. I thought we looked out for one another. Saw us all as brothers in the struggle, too blessed to be humble. I guess